Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about full outer join. The full outer join or simply full join produces a result set that contains all rows from both left and right tables with matching rows from both sides if available. If there is no match, the missing side contains null values. Let me explain. The full outer join returns a result set that contains all rows from both left and right side table with the matching rows from both sides if there is any match available. If there is no match, the missing values contains or filled with null values. Okay, let's check what is the syntax of full outer join, and before that I'll show you the Venn diagram of full outer join. And this is a full outer join, and you can see both the tables are highlighted, both table 1 and table 2 are highlighted in green color, and you'll get a large resultant set if you run full outer join. Okay, and this is a Venn diagram of full outer join. The syntax of full join is similar to that we have already discussed in left join and right join, and we are going to select the column, select column names from table 1, then write full outer join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. And you can give a where condition. You can give a where condition. That means if you want to return a set of rows unique to left and right side tables by using the where condition. That means if you want to return only matching rows. Okay, and this is a syntax of full outer join. Now we can try an example. Go to your pgadmin, then select a query tool. I'm going to execute the select outer join, full outer join using the same tables that we have used in the previous videos, that is basket A and basket B. So select a.id. So I'm going to copy some code, saving some time. A.id. Okay, then from basket A, then full outer join basket B on A dot fruit equal to B dot fruit. And if you execute this query, you'll get an output like this. See, you can see all rows from table 1, then matching rows on your right side. And if you doesn't have a match, that is in the third position you have banana. You don't have banana in on your right side table, that is table B, basket B, then it is filled with a null value. Then you have cucumber and no matching value in right side, and it is filled with a null value. Then look at the table on your right side, that is basket A. You have a watermelon, then you don't have a watermelon in table A, that is basket A, so it is filled with null value. Then you have pear in your basket B, then you don't have that value in your basket A, so that is filled with null value. And this is the result of a full outer join, and in a nutshell it returns all rows from left table and all rows from right table if there is a matching, or if there is no matching, it is filled with null values. Okay, and this is a full outer join. And if you want to apply some condition, you can apply some condition here, say where a dot id is null or b dot id is null. I'm going to execute this. You can see it returns a set of rows unique to the left and right tables, that is banana, cucumber and watermelon, pear. That means it omits all the matching rows. Okay, and this is how you apply a condition in your full outer join. You can apply condition in inner join, right join and left join also using where clause. Okay, I hope you understand what is full outer join. Try to practice this using your own examples. Thank you for watching. See you with a new video. Thank you.